Every day, millions of cars leave factories like this one. But have you ever wondered how a car is actually made? Every car begins as a digital idea. Engineers use advanced computer software to design, test, and perfect every detail long before production begins. Massive presses shape flat steel into doors, roofs, and frames. This is where raw metal starts becoming a car. Robotic arms take over in the body shop. They weld thousands of points with speed and precision no human could match. Even with automation, skilled workers monitor every step to ensure quality and safety. The paint shop is one of the cleanest areas in the factory. Robots apply multiple layers of paint to protect the car and give it its final look. Meanwhile, the heart of the car, the engine, is assembled with extreme precision and tested before installation. Once ready, the engine meets the body, marking a major milestone in the car's journey. This is final assembly. Interior, electronics, wheels, and safety systems come together to bring the car to life. Before leaving the factory, every car is carefully inspected and tested to meet strict safety standards. Some vehicles are driven on test tracks to ensure performance, stability, and reliability. After thousands of steps, the car is finally complete, ready for the road. From digital design to real-world machine, this is how a car is made.